Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. Now this newspaper cutting is circulating everywhere in Telegram channels and Telegram groups. So aspirants were asking me to clarify what this actually is. See, on November 14th, that is Children's Day, our Karnataka Education Minister has told in a function they will be recruiting 10,000 teachers soon. So this was the answer given by him on the question posed by a 10th standard student. So the student's name is Richard. Okay, he is a 10th standard student who is asking this doubt. It's a very genuine doubt, right? Since I think nearly 2 years now, aspirants have been waiting for these teachers recruitment, right? So the minister announced soon 10,000 teachers will be recruited. But as we all know, there is a issue of this internal reservation, right? So in Karnataka, the recruitments are put on hold because of the internal reservation. So as soon as this problem will be solved, we believe that there will be the teacher recruitments. So the speaker had already told earlier while talking about the internal reservation that minimum 3 months will be required for this thing to happen, right? So we can expect a teachers recruitment in 3 to 4 months at least. Okay, now see, I believe that they don't have option to postponed again and again, because already this recruitment has been postponed since years, right? Now once these problems are solved, they will not have any other reason to give, right? So they will have to compulsorily call for recruitment, and this will become mandatory for them because teacher aspirants have been waiting since years, and teacher aspirants have been protesting also, right? We are seeing in the news also how teacher aspirants are protesting because there is no other way, right? See, we believe that this is a long process, but still at least the aspirants should get some hope, right? Then only it will be easy for aspirants to keep the preparation on, right? So I believe that because they are telling this in functions and in front of the media, there will be no chance for them to get away from this point. They will have to call for teachers recruitment very soon. Okay, so aspirants, please keep preparing, because we believe that soon Karnataka TET also will be notified. Okay, maybe in February or March. So aspirants who have not qualified TET can take this as a golden opportunity and qualify it, because no, you can write a primary school teacher exam, that is GPSTR, only if you have completed your B.Ed and qualified in TET. Okay, and other aspirants who are preparing for HSTR, please keep your preparation on, because since years this recruitment has not come. So you think how much competition will be there. If you are up to the mark in your preparation, then only you can win this race. Now literally this has become race because of the number of years they have not at all called for this high school teachers, right? So aspirants, please take this point on a very serious note, and don't take risk, don't lose hope. Please keep yourself motivated and keep preparing. All that I have to say is, please keep preparing, don't lose hope, because your preparation will only lead you to this job. Okay, of course we are with you, we are always with you in all your ups and downs, and whatever updates come, we will try to clarify with you all in this manner in this YouTube channel only. And of course all the paid class aspirants, just don't worry, even the first batch aspirant of our HSTR course, you all have access till your HSTR exam date. Okay, all our batches, now 8th batch is going on, right? For all the batches, right, from batch 1 till batch 8, we have given 24/7 access to all our classes, notes, worksheets, everything till your exam date. Please take your own time and keep preparing. Even for our GPSTR aspirants, I want to tell you that 2 batches are done right now, third batch is going on. Same thing is applied for you all also. Once you have taken our GPSTR course, even if you are a first batch aspirant, till your exam date, you will have 24/7 access to all our paid classes, our notes and our worksheets and study material, everything. So we are with you in this journey till your exam date. Please don't worry about the access. Just keep preparing. If you have any doubt, please ask in your batch Telegram group, because you have Telegram groups for each batch, right? So please ask your doubts in your proper Telegram groups. And also, if you are not our paid class aspirant, we have a separate Telegram group for you all also. You all can discuss your doubts. Already aspirants keep discussing there. Okay. Just stay motivated, and if you have not qualified TET, then please keep preparing for TET, because I think February or March, or you never know, in January also, we cannot predict when this TET notification will come. Okay. So if you have taken our TET course this year, that is in 24 to 25 course, then also you will have access to all our classes, notes, practice worksheets. We are also making a maths and science pedagogy new classes. We are giving these new classes in the weekend for aspirants who are preparing for CTET. Okay, now these classes, even Karnataka TET aspirants also will have access. Okay, so if you want to join our course, then also you can reach to us in WhatsApp message, or you can write in mail, or you can write in our Telegram group. It's up to you how you want to contact us, and just keep preparing. Okay, even the TET aspirants, whoever will take the course now, will have 24/7 access to full course till your exam date of Karnataka TET 2025. Okay, even if you are aspirant who has taken our course for CTET, then also you have access for our course till your Karnataka TET 2025. Okay friends, so these newses will be coming and going. Just take these newses as motivation. Just think that at least they are talking about this. Only we have to wait with patience by keeping ourselves motivated, right? So let us take this news also as a motivation only, just thinking that at least if they are telling in media, there are some hopes that someday they will call for teacher recruitment, right? So how many days can they postpone? That also we have to think, right? They cannot postpone for long time, right? Maybe few more months they will take. Let them take. We have waited for years now. What is there? Let us wait for few more months and keep preparing and win this race at any cost. Either it is HSTR, GPSTR or PST. Okay friends, I really hope that our classes are helping you all. We have so many free classes in this YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our channel and also share among other teacher recruitment aspirants. And if you are our paid course aspirants, then you have more than 100 hours of classes in HSTR and more than 150 hours of classes in GPSTR and around, I think, 70 to 80 hours of classes for Karnataka TET. So please keep working hard and utilize our free classes YouTube channel also and our paid courses also. Please don't waste your time for any reason, because this is the best time for you all to start your preparation. Okay, thank you. All the best. Bye.